This video is about how to do scholarly research for your psychology classes. We will look at the Ivy Tech Psychology Library Guide, explore psychology databases, practice research techniques, and learn to identify peer-reviewed articles. Let's start on the Statewide library page, linked in Ivy Learn. Your local campus library may have additional resources as well. You can find the Statewide Psychology Library Guide by clicking on Library Guides. The guides are organized by General Guide, Class Subject Guides, Guides for specific courses, and Topic Guides for non-class related topics. We are going to select Subject Guides. Here you will find a guide for all psychology and sociology classes statewide. The Psychology Guide has tabs to help you with research, find videos, write citations, and more. Let's click on Research. All the databases on this guide specialize in psychology resources, but you might use them in different ways. All the databases we will look at today contain peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed means the article was submitted to an academic journal where a board of peers or other experts in the field read the article. This peer review board evaluates the article, looking for problems with the methods. If they find problems with the study, they will not publish it. For this reason, we frequently talk about peer-reviewed literature being the most reliable source of information. Let's look at databases. PsycArticles is a database containing peer-reviewed journals published by the APA. Psychology and Behavioral Sciences Collection is a large database of psychology sources, and most of it is peer-reviewed, but not all of it. Academic Search Complete is a general academic database that includes psychology, as well as other academic disciplines, some peer-reviewed. All three of these databases will look very similar because they are made by the same company, but they contain very different kinds of articles. Let's look at Psychology and Behavioral Sciences Collection. Coming up with a search phrase is an exploratory process, and you may have to play around with several different words or phrases before you land on the search with the best results for you. If I search for concussions, I find 356 results. Some databases may offer search suggestions. Let's try concussion or mild traumatic brain injury. This brought back 604 articles. Be aware, suggested search phrases are not necessarily better than searches you think of yourself. You may want to add additional search phrases to narrow down your ideas. For example, if you want to know more about how concussions may cause depression, you might add a new search phrase. This brings back 80 articles. Notice the icon next to each article. This identifies what type of article we are looking at. For a scholarly paper in a psychology class, you usually want something labeled an academic journal or scholarly journal, instead of a more popular periodical or news article. If your instructor requires your articles to be peer-reviewed, be sure that you select the peer-reviewed filter on the left, and all your results will be peer-reviewed. Let's select one of these articles. This is a detailed record for the article. You will find the publication information we used to make the citation, including the article title, the authors, and the journal where this article originally appeared. The abstract is a summary that describes the article. If we are interested in the article, we want to be sure to read the full text, which you can find on the left of the page. This article is available in both PDF and HTML formats. When you find a good article, you want to save it as you work on your assignment. Do not bookmark database articles on your computer, since the links in the address bar are not permanent or stable. Instead, use the toolbar on the right. You can save the article to your student Google Drive, email a copy to yourself, or download a copy of the PDF directly onto your computer. You can also use the Cite tool to create an APA-style citation. Double-check your citations, as automatically generated citations may contain small capitalization errors. As you continue your research, you may need to search more than one database. If we try the same search in psych articles, you will notice that we find fewer results on the same topic, but that all the results in this database are already peer-reviewed. If we do the search again in Academic Search Complete, we find more results, but some of them are not from psychology journals, and some of them are not peer-reviewed. Research is an exploratory process, and you may need to try multiple databases and experiment with multiple search phrases to find your articles. This concludes the video on doing psychology research. If you have any questions, please contact your Ivy Tech library through Ask a Librarian. Thank you.